DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. What's up with YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The boy Jambisco back in and in lab with another mad reaction. Yeah man, they done there again, you know man, with another one. Today we got Raw Cashh, the one of them show them up. You see me I say? Raw Cashh. Bad artist up and coming, you don't know say him like a feud with Skipper already. Yeah, this nigga coming like Skipper neck, but you don't know say Skipper ain't backing down either. You see me? Skipper ain't playing, bro. Skipper standing on business too. So you see me I say, but Raw Cashh up and coming, doing this thing. We got a new track right now called Show Them Up. We'll check it out. Y'all been requesting this shit a lot, man. Shout out to everybody who been requesting this one. You see me? User, you already know who you is. You see me? Big up to you. You see me? Keep dropping your requests. I appreciate y'all and liking the videos, man. We going up on our way to 6K. We 200 away from 6K, gang. So like up the video. 200 subs from 6K, and we only 4K subs from 10K. So road to 10K before the end of the year. You already know what time it is. I appreciate y'all. You're the greatest. You see me, I'm more consistent and better quality video I've been coming. Y'all see that, gang? So I appreciate y'all, and y'all definitely show y'all love. You see me going live later at 8 o'clock, so look out for that. You see me, I say? Yeah, come join the live, bro. We lit over there doing reactions, music, talking about the culture, all that shit. It was live last night and all that. But we ain't gonna roll up vibe much time. I'll jump right in there, chat. Raw Cashh, show them up. I see what dog I deal with. You see me? You say man this one dog will shoot for Skipper and all these things. You see me? So let's get it, gang. Raw Cashh, show them up, let's get it.
You see me? Virgin City. You believe? States. 15 I chop. You see me?
Did it on record.
Georgie don't sing about the game if I don't do it, you see me? No boy around town.
I like the feel of this Raw Cashh. Raw Cashh, I feel like you stop on there. I like the feelings. Come on.
States.
Oh, go on.
15 I chop. You see me?
Did it on record.
Georgie don't sing about the game if I don't.
I'm liking this black. I like them fuck up the game. I like that.
Do it, you see me? No boy around town. No boy around Ville. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Did it on States. Jelly.
Come in and Raw Cashh, where are you?
Me fuck up the States, I yard me day and I tweet. Burn up the leads, I'm walker that I run in. A bedtime story for me skull and a caffeine. When walker put in, you tapping eyes, you know she. Not even water, no suck.
Hold on. This nigga. Yeah, shall I step in? It's a yard with day and I tweet. When we say more, can we not talk about caffeine? Oh, yeah, hold on. He's actually chopping on this. Come on. Come in. Raw Cashh.
States. Jelly.
I yard me day and I tweet. Me fuck up the States, I yard me day and I tweet. Burn up the leads, I'm walker that I run in. A bedtime story for me skull and a caffeine. When walker
The man say, yo, burn up the States. I yard me there and I do it. Macaroni. When you say macaroni will say, yo, skull story. I know. No, he's actually chopping, bro. Listen to what dog I said.
Did it on States. Jelly.
I like this.
Me fuck up the States, I yard me day and I tweet. Burn up the leads, I'm walker that I run in. A bedtime story for me skull and a caffeine. When walker
yeah, man. The man say, burn up the leads, I'm walker that I run in. Bedtime story. Easy. Bomba, we can't through it. Me like it. Alright, last time I pull up. Come in.
Yeah, my friend, do it, you see me? No boy around town, no boy around Ville.
I got burn up the blood.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Dolce and Gabbanas. Burn up the Dolces.
Did it on States.
Yeah, man, show them up. Raw Cashh, let's get it.
Jelly.
I yard me day and I tweet. Me fuck up the States, I yard me day and I tweet. Burn up the leads, I'm walker that I run in. A bedtime story for me skull and a caffeine. When walker put in, you tapping eyes, you know she. Not even water, no so clean. Rotten teeth, cash code, no code in nice street.
When When walk up 14, my youth tapping nice, youth. Come in,
Put in your tapping nice, you know she. Not even water, no so clean. Rotten teeth, cash code, no code in nice street. Countryman stop.
Oh shit, okay, that this cash code. Damn, yeah man, I skip a G that man, I skip a dog that man. Skip a little G there, bro. But clear me say cash code a big chap and the thing in a dog. Hey!
Teeth, cash code, no code in nice street. Countryman stop mighty Hercules. Yes.
Look your funny game if you not do it for real. Lock in for weeks, step on the line, I steal.
Yeah.
When we jump out, them have to see who I mean.
Come in now, man say lock in for weeks, for the line where you still when you jump out, them have to know me. Hey!
Yes. YG Rocky Benz round town make you see. Back up Paris, panic crown, yo, we risky. Big food sending a FedEx and a no biscuit. When you see we alien, hundreds, 50s. Rocky blue plate.
Big food sending a FedEx and a no biscuit, you ease yourself. Oh,
You see, back up Paris, panic crown, yo, we risky. Big food sending a FedEx and a no biscuit. When you see we alien, hundreds, 50s.
You think a biscuit food this, youth? You think a cheese chicks biscuit this? You think a superstar and Bigfoot this, youth? Boy, move up.
Panic crown, yo, we risky. Big food sending a FedEx and a no biscuit. When you see we alien, hundreds, 50s. Rocky blue plate, pan the Benz and a jiff this. Pull up a centy, jagger them a say I hit this. USC currency states mad that a history. Flag them out, a which pussy can diss me.
It's chopping. The man a chop, brother. The man a chop, me not lie. You see me I say, the man a chop on this man. No, sir. Raw Cash. Yeah, man, Raw Cash club banger, playlist banger. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, vibes banger. Hey! Hey! Big food I send in for FedEx, bro. I know biscuit this in a youth. Theo. You think a cheese chicks biscuit this? Come in, man. Yeah, man, we gonna skip everything. You see what I say? Yeah, man, I like this little feud going on between them. As long as they keep it lyrical and thing, you see what I say? I like this little chopper, music, artist beef going on. You see me? But Cash code, that's straight the door, boy. Yeah, man, dog, that's straight to blood, please, but get it.
This pull up a centy, jagger them a say I hit this. USC currency states mad that a history. Flag them out, a which pussy can diss me.
Look your funny game if you not do it for real. Lock in for weeks, step on the line, I steal. When we jump out, them have to see who I mean.
YG Rocky Benz round town make you see.
Yeah, man, I like this man. Come in. Hey, Rakash, keep doing that thing.
Hit me tepina, fraud me dwellina. It's still mad, so me nah stop. Press forget which me incense there. Road open and make it beast fly. Pass me cellular Singapore for the bima. She a swing a pussy, say she nah stop.
Oh, man, say show them up. I remember say, yo. Skipper say a props dog are using him truth. Say that I say, hey man.
Fuck with the chopper is a mukbang murder. Look your panic game if you not do it for real. Lock in for weeks, step on the line, I steal. When we jump out, them have to see who I mean.
YG Rocky Benz round town make you see.
Go on do your thing, dog.
Jagger, man, hear that? No cap a boy, don't size up into the PCH, hear that?
No cap on that thing, you see me? Nobody nothing. Hey! Yeah, man, no capping, bro. I'm told them, man, no cappers, not on either side. Two dog do them thing, man. Skip on Rakash. Hey.
When the incense light, skulled, bust tonight. No pussy test. Jillian, round town, YG, did it on. States. States.
God, me did on a beat.
Fuck up his state.
Listen, no mama over there, sir.
I yard me tell you not tweet. I yard me tell you not tweet.
States.
Oh, this beat crazy too, you know. This beat crazy. Who produced this beat too? This beat crazy too, you know.
You not tweet. I yard me tell you not tweet.
States. David.
Easy no man. Blows and skirt. Yeah man, Raw Cashh. The one that name show them up. Dog I do him thing for the one them man. You see me? Yeah man, that nigga ain't come play no games. He ain't play no games with y'all, bro. You see me? Look at this stage. Yard me there and I do it. Yard me there and I do it. Yeah man. I think that's gonna be a new chat. Yard me there and I do it. Who is this? Yard me there and I do it. But yeah man gang, let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. Drop in the comments, you see me? Like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite part about was, the beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know, so Jambisco dan send no. You see me and say, and drop your request so you get your shout out gang. You don't know, back at it. We're going live later on at 8 o'clock, so make sure you come forward, join the live. We're having fun and shit, talk about the culture, do reactions, all that good stuff gang. We was live last night, had a really good time. Every time we go live, we have a good time. So look out for that gang. You already know what time it is. Yeah. Raw Cashh doing him thing. Music all do them thing. You see me and say music, dance all doing this thing. You see me, it's a good look. You see me and say, but yeah, till next time gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.